Top in the World, it really encouraged me to further advance my learning history. And it's a very open way of teaching, and it encourages students to think critically, to provide their own opinions and own thoughts.
It was unbelievable that I got top in the world. It means a lot to me because it means that all the hard work and studying I've put into Chinese have really paid off.
When I first got it, I felt really shocked and surprised because I never thought that I would do so well. I love English literature and I have a passion for it, and I hope to follow it through in further education.
I was really surprised and really happy when I heard that I was top in the world. It's actually quite humbling to know that out of all these people who've taken chemistry, I've been picked or chosen as the top in the world.
When I found out I was top in my subject, it was a great feeling. I was very delighted and excited. I aspire to complete my doctorate in medicine, and if I could help people using my knowledge and skills that I have gained from Cambridge, then that would be my only goal in life.
We're always looking for people who have been prepared to the highest technical level. Cambridge, like most top-flight UK higher education institutions, is essentially a specialised institution. Students work at a very high level from the start, and we want people who come equipped with really good core knowledge and aptitude, and that's what the qualifications deliver.